In the second semi-final of the World Cup, South Africa gave Australia an easy target of 213 runs. South Africa won the toss and decided to bat first in today's semi-final of the ICC World Cup being played at Eden Gardens. When the match started, Quinn and ٹیمبا باوما came to the crease, but the captain ٹیمبا was caught out in the first over. Quinn could only score 3 runs. Márkrem was caught out in an attempt at a boundary wide shot on the 5th ball of the 10th over. Like the previous 3 batters, ریسی returned to the pavilion after catching Warner. Heinrich and Marka Jensen followed. Others were dismissed for 47-0 scores. Gerald 19 and Maher Raj scored for runs. David Miller scored 101 runs while Tabriz Shamsi remained unbeaten. Rabada was caught by Maxwell for 10 runs, on which the whole team returned to the pavilion for 212 runs. So Australia got an easy target of 213 runs in the second semi-final, out of which 7 matches were winners.